The leaves, some of the stipules are modified into spines. Spines means you have the sharpened thorns. This is called spines. Here, the Euphorbia splendens, the stipules are modified into spines. Then here, some of the Jatrophococcus, the glandular hairs are present in the leaves. Some of the xerophytic Euphorbiaceae plants, the leaves are reduced. Then the Euphorbia pulcherrima, they have an inflorescence. The inflorescence hyathium. Around the inflorescence, the leaves are modified into colored leaf. So this is used as an ornamental purpose of the beautifying the garden in the leaves of Euphorbia pulcherrima. Euphorbiaceae inflorescence, the Euphorbia inflorescence is called as a cyathium. Cyathium present only in the Euphorbia. Here the cyathium is a cymose flower which is present on the cup-shaped structure. The cup-shaped structure is called as a involucre. The involucre, the central part they are having for the one flower. This flower is a female flower. They have a joint. This is tricarpellary female flower. Then surrounded the female flower, more number of male flowers. But here we have anther, then filament. But previous family, the anther and filament, they are considered as a male sex organ. But here we are considered as a single flower. Why we are considered as a single flower means here all the flower which is having for stalk, then you have a joint, calyx, corolla. This joint also is there. This joint is considered for flower character. The same joint is present on here, the filament of the male and female flower. This is also considered as a, the anther is considered as a male flower, the gynoecium is considered as a female flower, but the total involucre is called as a inflorescence. This is a unique of the family. You should not be mentioned it. This is for the female part, or this is the male part of anther, this is the female part of the gynoecium. So this is also called as, the anther is called as a male flower, the gynoecium is called as a female flower, instead of they have a joint like the flowers of other families. The same thing happened here for the joint in the filament. This is called as a flower. The Euphorbiaceae inflorescence, the involucre containing the nectar secreting gland also in the involucre surface. Then some of the Euphorbiaceae plants, they have some other inflorescence other than the Euphorbia. Here the resinous communis, this is called as a the panicle inflorescence. Such an inflorescence which is the racemose manner arranged in the inflorescence stalk, that is a panicle. Here we have the male flower in the top. Then this is for male flower. Then the bottom, this is for female flower. but grow and continuously. This is also called as a racemose manner. And previously we have seen about the euphorbia. This is only for the cymose flower, but here we are having for the racemose manner growth. The male flower is present on the top of the panicle. The female flowers are present in the lower bottom of the panicle. Then another inflorescence, the croton spaciflora, which is called as Eli Amanathu. This is also having for racemose inflorescence. But in Acalypha indica, Cupamene, which is present catkin, that is another inflorescence. Then Phyllanthus emblica, having for another type of inflorescence. It is present, and this is for the leaf. It is present and the axillary region and solitary, that is axillary solitary inflorescence present and Phyllanthus emblica, because of the axillary region present in alone single inflorescence. This is called as the axillary solitary. Euphorbiaceae flower, bracteate, bracteolate. Already know the previous families, Malvaceae and Solanaceae. What does mean by E bracteate? Without bracteate is called as E bracteate. Pedicellate, flower stalk is called as a pedicellate. Here the unisexualis, here the series is a unisexualis. Because of both male and female flowers, which is considered as a individual flower in the involucre. So monoecious means here the involucre, which is containing for single central female flower. Around the female flower you are having for the male flower. That's why it is monoecious. But some of the flower like the croton spaciflora, which is containing for both male and female flowers, this is called as a dioecious. Incomplete. In Euphorbia, even also the croton spaciflora, you are not having for the calyx and the corolla. That is called as a perianth. So totally the calyx and corolla integrated together a single word. This is called as a perianth. The perianth only present in that flower. This is called as a incomplete. Whenever you are having for calyx and corolla, androecium and gynoecium, this is for complete flower. But here we are having for the perianth, both calyx and corolla integrated together as a single wall. And hypogynous, all the floral organs are present below the ovary. This is called as a hypogynous. Euphorbia, male flowers are single stamen, the female flowers are single pistil. So this is called as a unisexualis. Euphorbiaceae, perianth, because of we are not having for the calyx and corolla, it is integrated together as a green in color, is called as a perianth. Croton spaciflora, they are having for both male and female flowers are there. The male flowers, they are having for two whorls of perianth, but female flower which is having for only single whorl of perianth. But even Euphorbia, the perianth, it is divided, it has to reduce, or it has not present in that. So this is called as a aphyllus. That is most important. Then the Phyllanthus amarus, which is a folliculus, means we have more number of perianth. But Ricinus communis, which is having for the perianth, which is containing for more in number 2, 3 or 5 or any number of the perianth is present. All the perianth is united together. It is called as a camophylus. Camo means united. Here the phyllis means perianth. So perianth are united in the Ricinus communis. So this is called as a haemophilus. In the Phyllanthus amarus, more number of perianth, that is polyphylus. There is no perianth, that is reduced or absent. This is called as a aphyllus. But Croton spaciflora, you are having for the male and the female flowers. The male flowers, they are having for two whorl of perianth. The female flowers, they are having for the single whorl of perianth. Stamens are androecium. Stamens 1 to many in number. In Ricinus communis, you are having for polyatelphus. Polyatelphus means The stamens are present in the more bundle. So you have more than which is having for more than 2 bundles of stamen. That is called as polyadelphous. More than 2 bundles. All the stamens related to a single bundle, but here more than 2 bundles. This is called a polyadelphous. Then the stamens are the filamentous and the branch. How you have filamentous means here this is for the stalk of the stamen. Here you have another one. Such a way you have some branches are there. This is for branched. Then anthers are dithecous. Dithecous already know in Solanaceae, 2-chambered. This is called as 2-chambered dithecous. So this is dithecous. Then here this is for the male flower. The ovary is completely reduced. This is called as a rudimentary. So this is called as pistillode.